Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and this is the 18-volt Ryobi spreader. Now this is great for spreading salt after it snows to prevent ice, which is what we're going to demo in this video. It's also good for spreading seed to grow grass. Now what I like about it is it has a tub that can hold up to a gallon capacity, and each tub can spray up to 5,000 square feet, so not too bad. This also has an adjustable door, so you can spray a little or a lot. So why don't we go ahead and check this out? Let's get this party started. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. There you go. Now this is a pretty big unit, by the way. I did throw the battery on already. Now, I might try this with a really small, I think I got a 1 amp hour battery. Again, it'll make it lighter, but it can handle any Ryobi 18-volt battery, which is nice. Now, this is the edge guard. So, if you have it closed, it'll narrow where, whatever you have coming out of this goes. And then if you open it, you can see here there's a 2, and then there's like a 3. So you can open it up all the way, and then it should come out all the way in the front. But if you only want it to come out maybe just here in the front, I guess that's what you do. So I might start off using it narrow. And this setting here, very interesting if you want to look at that. So right now, and it is noisy, but right now you could see here that the door down on the bottom is closed. See that? So what'll happen is if you move this, it doesn't do anything. I was thinking it was broken. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm trying to open that door. But the door only opens when you start this motor. So I might lower the volume to show you this, but let me press the trigger. So you can see here that when it's black, the door is closed completely. And then it slightly opens at 1, opens a little more at 2, a little more at 3, a little more at 4, and then 5 is completely open. When you put it back on 0, the door won't open. So I did show you that a moment ago, but I wanted to show you the dial. The trigger seems nice and comfortable. It doesn't seem like it's variable, which is fine. We want all our triggers to be variable. It is flat bottomed, so it can sit anywhere. So, nice little piece. Will it work to put salt out? That's what we're going to try today. All right. Well, she's not all the way full, but this is actually good stuff. So we'll see how we do. Pretty windy. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but I have this on setting 1. So the door will open slightly, and we'll see what that looks like. Now, again, this is obviously white, so you're not going to see too much, but I'll be the guy to tell you what it looks like. Now, I do have the door on. I'm going to see again how narrow it does as far as the path's concerned. All right. Now, I'm not seeing anything. I don't know. I guess I'm going to have to open the door more. Okay, now I do see some. And I honestly want a good amount to come out. So the good news is on setting number 3, it's doing a good job. Now, if I open it all the way, again, very hard for you to see, but I can tell you. You know what? I like the narrow on a sidewalk like this. I'll use the narrow, and let's see how we do. I want to open it up a little more. Okay. Hard to tell when you go from the 3 to 4. I want to open it all the way. Number 5, open it all the way. Oh, nice. That's what I want. I just want to do it and walk away. And that's nice. That's actually really, really nice. Oh, okay. Oh, actually, it really uses a lot, too. All right. And you can see it really pushes it out. I'll have to get a refill. But this is handy. All right, again, I didn't fill it up all the way, but that's a lot. Let's see how it does again. By the way, that's a 2 amp hour battery, so it's not a 1 amp. I couldn't find the 1 amp hour. Change it to 4. There you go. Oh, wow. 3 and 4, good settings, depending on what you have in here. So let me tell you about my experience, and then afterwards I'll give you like the part number and the price, and I'll give you some of the specs, okay? So I like it. It's really nice. Ergonomically, very comfortable. I did have a 2 amp hour battery on this thing. We went down 1 bar. It doesn't use a lot of battery, which is good. Now, a couple of things. So when you want to make the adjustment with this knob, right, as I showed you earlier, so go back to the beginning too, but when you want to make this adjustment with a knob where the door opens wider or closes, you're going to need to be pressing the trigger at the same time. You can't just do this. I had to learn that, so I wanted to share that with you. All right, so that's important. But again, very ergonomic. I do like that you have the door. It is helpful if you want more of a narrow path or a wider path. I will tell you, I use this more on 3, maybe even 4, because I just didn't care. I wanted the salt down. Now, I will tell you, for many years, I grabbed me a bag of salt. I hold it up against my chest and I grab salt and I throw it, and I grab salt and I throw it. But I'm holding normally a heavy bag. So I said, there's got to be a better way. Of course, that's what the spreader's made for. Now, this is also good for like grass seed. If you want to put grass seed down and anything else you can think of because of the door, as I showed you earlier in the video. If you want to take a closer look, go back. But no complaints whatsoever. Again, let's talk about some information on this. So the part number I'll put in the upper right-hand corner is P as in Paul 2402BTL. Now I paid $59 at Home Depot. Really the best place to go, you know, for stuff like this, because they have really good pricing. Now they say this will spray up to 5,000 square feet. All right, so keep that in mind. And I think this actually will hold a gallon. So it's a gallon tub. So, you know, and it uses the Ryobi 18-volt, you know, batteries. It's got a 3-year warranty, by the way. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. All right. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us, and you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round TechMadeEzy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.